In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location access for Perplexity on your iPhone. If you want better local results, nearby places, map previews, and answers tailored to where you are, Perplexity needs permission to use your location. I'll show you how to turn that on cleanly and safely so you stay in control the whole time. You'll also learn what each permission option means, so you can pick the one that fits your comfort level. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the section that lists your installed apps and tap apps. Use the search field to find Perplexity, then tap it to open its settings. This page holds the app's permissions, and anything you change here applies only to Perplexity, not to your other apps. It's the best place to make precise app-by-app choices without affecting anything else on your phone. Next, tap Location. You'll see options that control when the app can use your location. Choose while using the app to allow access only when Perplexity is on your screen. For most people, that's the right balance. It delivers accurate local results without allowing background access. If you want Perplexity to have access even when you're not actively using it, select Always. That can be helpful if you want the app to respond with local context immediately, even if you switch away for a moment. You can switch between these at any time, so if you're unsure, start with while using the app and adjust later. Now open the Perplexity app. When you're prompted to allow access to your current location, tap Allow. The wording may vary a bit, and you might also see options like allowing just once, but the idea is the same. Grant permission so the app can read your location when needed. If you already chose while using the app or always in settings, you might not see another prompt here, and that's perfectly fine. Your choice is already saved. You're done. Your location is now available to Perplexity for local searches and map results. The next time you ask about nearby coffee shops, directions to a landmark, or region-specific information, the app will tailor responses to where you are, which saves time and improves accuracy. If your needs change, say you're traveling or you want tighter privacy, just return to the same location setting and pick a different option. Turning location access off later will disable local results, but it won't affect the rest of the app's features. Thanks for watching. With a few quick taps, you've set up Perplexity to use your iPhone's location services in a way that's helpful, thoughtful, and completely under your control.